In this video, we will see some advanced if function, nested if function. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have some name of student with the marks of every student. And here I want the result. Okay. If in school and college you give you marks, if greater than 60, it will be distinction, and greater than 40, it goes to pass, and less than 40, it will be fail. Okay. So I want this result in that way. If this amount is this marks is 25, it means the student will be fail. So result will be fail. If the Ramesh marks is 65, it will be goes on distinction. So I want that types of result: fail, pass, and distinction. So let's start. I'm using here the if function. Select the cell and is equal to if in bracket select the marks. If marks greater than 60, then result will distinction. Okay, I want in small letter distinction. And if select the again marks greater than 40, then it will pass result. Okay, then bracket close, comma, sorry, quotation, and then comma, again quote, and if not greater than 40, then result will fail. Now bracket close, enter it. See, copy the function below cell. You see here 65 marks distinction, 16 fail, 87 distinction, 55 pass. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.